Hey everybody, so as you can see, this is not MakeupMenaree. This is Xavian. There I am. So I thought this would be fun for her to do. She wanted to do a Halloween look, and since I technically wasn't doing a Halloween look this year, yeah, your girl is taking one for the team and doing one for me. So yeah, we are gonna go ahead and get started. She's just putting on her foundation. I will list all the products that she uses in the description box below. She doesn't use too many products, but me sitting here right now, I don't know what they are. So yeah, anyway, those will be listed in the description box below. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started on this, I don't know, dead, gorgeous girl look. Okay, she's using the NYX Ultra HD Eyelid Primer. She's going to be putting this obviously on her eyelids where the eyeshadow goes. And then you'll see she'll dot this on her face here and on her temples because she's going to be throwing eyeshadow up there as well. And you want this wherever you're going to place eyeshadow. And because that primer is a little sticky, she is just setting that primer with a loose powder. That is just going to help her to glide and blend her eyeshadow a lot easier. And she just noticed my new little sign, can't see the haters over my lashes. But anyway, now she's going to go ahead and start putting a base down. She's using this sort of burgundy red color. And I think she's just using this to outline where she's going to have this color. She does the most amazing bruise work. That sounds crazy. But she can make her skin look like it's so bruised. It's crazy what she can do with that. So that is sort of a technique she's going to be doing on her face. You guys will see what I'm talking about as the makeup progresses. Okay, so now she's going to start building that color, just deepening it layer by layer. She is a realism artist. I'm telling you, check out her Instagram. I will make sure to tag it in the description box. She does the most realistic artwork that you could believe. Like, realism is her thing. So she understands how to build color, and that's basically what she's doing, building color and then blending it out, building another layer and then blending it out. And you'll see her do that over and over again. Okay, now she's just building that color out on her temples. She'll be laying this base and then blending more on top of it. She's also going to get ready to go in and do some work here on her inner eye and on her nose. Okay, now she's going in with a deeper burgundy shade. She's focusing that more in the crease of her eye, and then she's winging it out a little bit past her eyebrow. That's just going to make it easier for her to blend up onto her temple. And again, she puts a layer down and then blends it out. Okay, now she's just going back to the bridge of her nose and deepening up that shade. You can already see on her eyes and her temple how that already looks like bruised areas of skin. Okay, she's using this pinky champagne shade eyeshadow, and this is a foil eyeshadow, and these work best with your finger, so that's why she's doing that. They just apply so much easier than they would with a brush. Okay, now she's going to do a highlight with the Wet n Wild concealer. She's doing this under her eyes, on her forehead, on her nose, her lip, and her chin. She's going to blend that out with a beauty sponge, and these are just the regular areas that we do highlighting on. I do have videos. I will make sure to link those up for you guys to check them out. Okay, so she's going to start prepping her lips. She's going to do the same type of technique around her lips that she did around her eyes, and it really just makes them look like they're bruised. Okay, now she's just going to go in and do a light contour on her cheeks, on her forehead, and on her jawline as well. These are just regular areas that you would contour if you were doing a regular makeup. Okay, so using a small detail brush and different colors of red and burgundy eyeshadows, she is making these sort of veiny designs, and it looks so gross and so real when she's done. This is literally my favorite part. Okay, so she's using the same technique with these red veins around her lips. And yeah, I just love the way that looks. It's so creepy. Okay, so now she's doing her eyebrows. Of course, she wants them to be a little wild and unkempt. My child has the lightest, grayest eyebrows in real life, so she's just using a brow pencil that I think is in my shade, Wet n Wild, to darken them up a little bit. So you can see they're finished here. They're a little wild. They look good though, but they're darker. Now she's going in with a dark lipstick. She's gonna focus this more on the inner part of her lip and sort of make that fanned out a little bit, again, to make her lips look like they're bruised. Okay, off camera she went ahead and put a little mascara on, and now she's adding some very dramatic lashes. It just really finishes off the eye look. Lashes always finish off eye looks. Like, I'm telling you, lashes be working it out. Look at that. Look at them lashes. Okay, so this look is about done. She's just going back in and adding a little more detail, a little more veins around her eyes. And we will see the finished look with her without a wig, and then she's gonna throw on a wig and you can just see like the transformation. I love this look. So here it is up close, all that work she did. Love it. Okay, and here is the finished look with adding this wig. The color goes perfect with the look she did. Absolutely love this. Make sure to comment below. Show some support. Love on my child. Let her know how amazing she is. Yes! Okay, everybody, so I hope you guys enjoyed her little tutorial. I thought we would do something different and let her get in front of the camera. The look that I worked on while she was busy doing that. I hope you guys liked this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Make sure to go over to Xavian's Instagram. I will link that in the description box below. She does amazing artwork. Happy Halloween, and we'll see y'all later. She's a little beauty thing. It feels weird, but you gotta do it. You're losing that wig, girl.